Lukewarm milk ½ cup. White vinegar 1 teaspoon. Whisk well, cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. Sugar ½ cup. Vegetable oil ¼ cup. Mix until sugar dissolves. Vanilla essence ½ teaspoon. Mango puree ½ cup. Mix until well combined. All-purpose flour 90 gram. Baking powder ½ teaspoon. Baking soda ½ teaspoon. Sift it well. Mix it carefully. Note: do not over-mix the batter. Pour the batter into a greased pan. Spread evenly. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Whipping cream ⅓ cup. Milk 1 cup. Condensed milk ¼ cup. Mango puree ½ cup. Mix until smooth. Poke holes with the help of chopstick. Pour half of the prepared milk mixture over the entire cake and set aside. Sweetened whipping cream ½ cup. Whisk until stiff peaks form and spread the cream on top of the cake. Refrigerate for 4 hours. Few mango chunks. Few mint leaves. Enjoy with the remaining milk mixture poured on top.